Lesson 7, welcome everybody. Alright, lesson 7 is just a 2-pager, which is kind of nice. So we're going to be solving 2-step problems and any operation. So we can add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So we're supposed to write down the first step and then of course answer the question. So knowing that there's multiple steps, meaning there's more than one step, we're kind of on the lookout for everything. So the orchard has 8 rows of apple trees, so that is already sounding like an array problem to me. So we're thinking multiplication. So, and if you didn't know where to start, drawing a picture is always a good option. So we'd have row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and row 8. There are 7 rows have 6 apple trees. So 7 times 6 equals 42 trees. And then the last row only has 4. So we'd have, these are all 6. So that's 42. So 7 times 6 plus 4. And if you remember in PEMDAS, you always do multiplication first. If you're not quite sure, remember you can put it in parentheses, which means do this first. So 42 plus 4 equals 46 trees. So we use multiplication and addition to get to that answer. All right, second one. Miss Hayes bought bought 4 packs of pencils. So that's an equal groups problem. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of pencils. 10 pencils in each. She divided the pencils among her 5 children. So the first part of the problem would be 4 times 10 equals 50. And then we would divide that by 5. So PEMDAS, we're working left to right. So you're taking those 40 and you're dividing them into 5 equal groups. So 40 divided by 5. Or if you want the multiplication, what times 5 equals 40. So how many pencils did each get? 8 times 5 is 40. So 8 pencils. All right, the last 3 on that page are very similar. No, there are multiple steps. Same thing on the back. We can skip the check for understanding. I'll just do a couple of these too. So a bus has 10 seats that can each hold 2 passengers. So 10 times 2 equals 20 passengers. And another seat that can hold 3 passengers. How many passengers can be seated on the bus? We'd have 10 times 2 plus 3 equals 23 passengers. All right, Dana made fruit baskets. Last one I'll do, and then you guys are on your own. I'm gonna erase that, I can't. Dana made fruit baskets. That's an equal groups problem. Because anytime you have baskets. All right, so Dana made fruit baskets, 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And with this, I know that I'm writing kind of big. She put 4 apples, 2 pears, and 3 oranges into each basket. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 in each basket. So on this one, I would actually I can do this first. So 4 plus 2 plus 3 in parentheses times 9. So 9 times 6 equals 54 fruits. Or pieces of fruit. All right. Multiple step problems. Enjoy.